repair. So many cell phone repair. Here also. Oh, pizza. How much pizza? Combination 105. Excuse me, this 105 is slice? Huh?
Combination. Only ham
No.
and cheese Hawaiian.
Ham and cheese Hawaiian is 85 is slice?
8 slices.
All 85. So this size is one box. How much one box Hawaiian?
Hawaiian 85 pesos.
85 peso all? Oh, very good price. Because I seen in the walking street one slice only 160. Very close. Only 85 peso. It's good. You see, very close. In front of JJ. In front of JJ have pizza. Hawaiian 85 peso only. Also bread. You can buy bread also.